Bitcoin money in every practical sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, or so they thought. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $231.40, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which sort of is genuinely critical. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is at $186,518,881, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. 04 October 2023, in this video we will basically walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these oftentimes by and large clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is essentially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, for the most part, is BCH a very wise speculation, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly let us generally discuss the very current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,087,907,108,321, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The extremely all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,446,905,696, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span in a significant manner. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP truly is up by 3.63 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, genuinely further appearance how 04 October 2023. In this video we will all things considered, walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified pressing issues, facts. What by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, sort of is BCH and all things considered wise venture, which basically is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin money really has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which in a real sense is very critical. These occasions really demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a descending bearing for transient amazingly. Right now, a fundamentally broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the BCH specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the very current economic situations. Which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a genuinely descending course for momentary in a sort of enormous manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more for the most part dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors truly become fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The genuinely current Bitcoin money cost generally is $231.40, with an exchanging volume of $186,518,881 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that as of now, a very broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Exhibiting how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the BCH specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Right now, BCH essentially is up by 0.15% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,517,560,048 United States dollars, exhibiting that 04 October 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, fundamentally is BCH a fundamentally wise interest in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin money value investigation BCH cost examination for 04 October 2023, inside a very everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, which basically is genuinely huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money in a genuinely large manner. While BCH's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange essentially signal fundamentally is truly conceivable at this reach, so we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to really break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exceptionally relative strength record, RSI, shows that the BCH coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 25, exhibiting that as of now, a sort of broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the BCH specialized examination. Truly let us for the most part discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a huge manner. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the BCH specialized investigation, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations. Bitcoin money financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, which in a real sense shows that similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants generally become move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends Bitcoin money market by and large gives a bullish indications, and bulls can especially push BCH kind of higher in the approaching meetings, showing that however prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the in every practical